Oh my word, it is way too hot for this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair range. This stuff, you guys, is the balm.com, but let me tell you why and let me tell you how. Ooh. So, when it comes to SheaMoisture products, I feel like trial and error just seems a little bit much because of the price of the range. Let's just say it's not something, especially if you're going to get the whole range, it's not really something that some people are able to afford, especially when it comes to trying it out and then realizing that it doesn't work. So it was my pleasure to buy this on yours behalf and try it on my 4C stroke Z kinky ass hair, just to show you guys how this range works. So the Manuka Honey and Yogurt range has a range of butters and proteins that are meant to revitalize, restore and revive your natural hair. One of the main ingredients in SheaMoisture is the shea butter. SheaMoisture shea butter. If you didn't, well, there you go, now you know. So let's say that your hair is maybe color treated, or you have been blow dry, or you've been a little, what should we call it? If you've been a little happy with your blow dry and straightener of late, then this is the range that's meant for you. So we're now going to go in and I'll show you guys as I use the products on my natural hair and get into detail as to how they worked for me. So first and foremost, I use the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. This hydrates, cleanses and starts off the restorative process of your routine. The Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair shampoo has mafura and baobab oils. It is meant to cleanse and restore extremely dry and brittle hair. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no platelets, no glycol minerals, and hasn't been animal tested, as well as no petroleum. I was really happy with this shampoo because most of the times when you use shampoo and you find that it's sulfate free, you think that it's not going to lather. It lathered really well, and as you use it on your scalp and your hair, you feel that it is cleansing without stripping your natural hair. And not only that, it actually leaves your hair feeling really moisturized and soft, and obviously hydrated. You are underwater, so there is that little bit of it. So yes, I felt like this shampoo really did start me on the hydrate and restorative process of this range. And then we're going to go into the conditioner. Guys, this conditioner is so thick. So first and foremost, I'm going to suggest that when you're applying this conditioner, you apply it in sections to your natural hair, especially if you have 4C hair such as mine. It's already, you know, so close together in its curls, so it is easier for you to separate and then apply the conditioner throughout your natural hair. I would also suggest that you warm up the conditioner in your hands so that it's easier to spread throughout your hair, and you make sure that your hair is drenched with water. It makes it so easy to apply. I have to commend SheaMoisture for this conditioner. I think it is by far my favorite in the whole entire range. It has enough slip for my hair. It was so easy for me to detangle my hair. It infuses so much hydration and moisture into the hair. Like honestly, you guys, it is ultra hydrating and conditioning. Like as you're applying it and detangling your hair, you feel as if it's putting in moisture into either your dry cuticles. So yeah, that is honestly, like, it honestly infuses your hair with intense moisture, and I absolutely love this conditioner. It feels like you're using a moisturizing deep conditioner when you're applying it, and yet it's just a normal conditioner. I absolutely loved this conditioner. So I'm now going to be talking about and applying the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This is meant to strengthen and protect extremely dry and brittle natural hair. It is sulfate free and also color safe. So like I said before, if your hair is color treated, then you can definitely use this range. The first ingredients in all these products is water. So yes, it's meant to repair damage caused by over processing. From just one use, you're supposed to see the difference after just one use of this range. The protein treatment reinforces hair. It is so thick. Like, I thought the conditioner was thick, but the protein treatment is way thicker. It's almost like using like an actual butter, be it shea butter, that's just slightly whipped, but that's how thick this product is. But it fortifies your hair as you apply it and melts into your hair. So as I was applying it into my hair, I could honestly feel it melting right into my strands, into my cuticles, fortifying them, strengthening them. My hair felt good as I was applying these products. It is such a good deep conditioner with a balance of moisture and protein. After 10 minutes, your hair feels so soft and hydrated. So listen guys, this and the conditioner, I don't know what they put in the stuff. I know there's water and shea butter, but goddamn, yeah, it is the thing. It is the business. And then finally we're going to go into the leave-in conditioner. So now that I am done with the washing and treating process, I'm now going into the moisturizing process. To be fair, I really want to start off by saying this: whenever it comes to moisturizing and my hair, I love a three-step routine. So I prefer products that give me the three-step routine that I'm used to and that I like for my natural hair. But I have to say that the fact that the SheaMoisture range has this hydrate and repair split end balm makes all the difference. However, I usually like to have a leave-in conditioner, a cream or a butter, and then I can seal with an oil. The range doesn't have a butter, but it does have the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair multi-action leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is meant to restore, prep and protect your natural hair. It is a water-based conditioner. As you can see, it is very thin. It's in a spray bottle. It's very easy. It's actually not too thin or watery, but it's unlike you know, creamy, the other creamy leave-in conditioner that SheaMoisture has in some of their ranges. It's meant to hydrate, recondition, strengthen and smooth abused hair. It helps prep hair easily for styling, so I guess that's maybe why they went in for a spray bottle. It is lightweight. It fortifies your strands, supporting the protein and fighting frizz. It is ideal for hair that is prone to breaking, snapping and splitting. So if you have hair maybe that's been over processed or hair that breaks easily, then this leave-in conditioner is good enough. I have fine hair, so sometimes I tend to scare off when it comes to using products that are way too heavy for my hair, because I feel like that doesn't suit my afro after. So I like this leave-in conditioner for two purposes: for reviving your hair throughout the week when you need to add more moisture back into your hair, but also I feel like it still works if you're going to go in with a butter after. And also considering how thick the split end balm is, listen, this stuff is good. Okay, so after spraying my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to just go in with an oil to seal in. No, I'm going to go in with the split end balm and then seal everything in using an oil. I just wanted to make sure that at the end of it, because I was focusing the split end balm more on my ends, on the ends of my hair, so the oil was just meant to also, you know, do the damn thing. So I went in with my black Jamaican castor oil, and I was very light-handed on this because the split end balm is so thick, so I didn't want it to end up weighing my hair down. The moment you use the split end balm, your curls clump together. Like, I could feel my 4C hair just come together, and it's almost like the moment you takes in all of that product, it comes together. It looks hydrated, it feels hydrated, it feels soft, it feels super moisturized. Like, not the way that it normally does. There's something about it. I honestly wish you guys could come in and feel my hair as I'm applying this product, but it feels so good. Like I said before, I was a little worried about the split end balm because my hair is fine, but it feels so good, and I think it's such a good addition to your routine, especially for keeping your ends taken care of. So as you know, at some point, if you have major split ends, babe, you're going to have to just cut them off, snip snip snip. It's good for length retention, it's good for healthy hair. However, should you want to keep conditioning and treating the older ends, as you know, your ends are the oldest part of your hair, then I genuinely believe that this hydrate and repair split end balm is a good addition to your routine. It feels so good, your hair feels soft, and if you're using it once a week, I feel like for the rest of the week, as you're adding moisture back into your hair, you don't need it, and yet it still looks really good in your hair. It stays for long, it works for long. So yeah, that's it. These are the 5 products. The only thing that I would say to SheaMoisture is please add a butter to this range. We need it. Add a butter or a creamy conditioner for people that might really need one. Like I have highly porous hair, so the water-based leave-in conditioner for wash day might not be enough if I'm not using the split end balm. However, I like the range. I am impressed. Well done, SheaMoisture. Alrighty, honeys, thank you so much for joining me in today's review video. I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you so much. If there are any other hair products or ranges out there that you would like me to talk about and review, please leave a comment down below and let me know what those ranges, products, brands are, and I would love to bring them your way. I really do hope that you find this review helpful, and I hope that it guides your next buying decisions. I know that sometimes, at least for me, I always need to know before I buy something whether or not it's going to work, and I know that products work differently for everyone, but I just want, like, you know, like a rough idea of how it's going to go, how it's going to care for me. So yeah, I really hope that you guys find this useful. Thank you again so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Just leave a comment down below to show that you've watched the video, you've enjoyed the video, and share this with your friends. Share. I love you. Mwah! Don't forget to watch my next video right here. Subscribe and watch. Subscribe and watch. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.